Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Haziq Aiman. Okay, we want to do a PBL assignment, which is maintaining all the site that we have been chosen. The site that I chose at the front of my yard, I have the site which is left side and right side, and then I have at the front of my house, and then I have one of my site at my neighbor's house. Okay, and then for the maintaining of this PBL assignment, they have two, which is Softscape and Hardscape. For Softscape, I rather to do an activity such as trimming, fertilizing a plant, transplanting, reporting, and then for Hardscape, the activity that what I do is cleaning a gazebo, and then cleaning the rock tables, and also I decorate my front yard. All of this activity I will do for Softscape and Hardscape, and then I will show you all the site that I will make for the maintenance. Okay. Now I will show you all the tools that what I gonna do for my activity. Okay, I already show all my Softscape and Hardscape activity. Right now I will show you all my tools. Okay, for my tools, I have a hoe, then a broom, then a skatiers, and pot for repotting a plant, transplanting, and then okay, for the Hardscape, like I said, for the cleaning rock table, I do a bactericidal wash to remove all the black spot or moist, and then I will use a cloth to wipe out to make sure that everything is clean. And then as you can see right now, all this is my this not just a tool, but what I gonna show you is a fertilizer. To what I gonna do for this fertilizer, that I will give all the plant fertilizer like NPK green, and also the fertilizer that I most like to put it is humus fertilizer. What I do for Softscape Hardscape, make sure it's safe. Maybe I will use a hat, use a protection, and most importantly what I gonna use is a glove, especially to clean up the rock tables, to make sure that my hand didn't get from the acid. It will cause my hand got burning from the acid. Okay, I already show you all the tools. Maybe when I do some activity, I will talk how to use it. Okay, right now I will show you the all activity of the Softscape and Hardscape. Hi, welcome back. Okay, today I want to show you of my activity, which is a Softscape. So what I'm gonna do in here is at my front yard. At my front yard, what I'm gonna do is I want to decorate front yard. Is maybe in my front yard is look like empty, but it just already have a shrub, and more of the shrub. What I'm gonna do is just like I want to do like a tropical garden, which is with more plant. As you can see, in this front yard they have more weed, but I pretty sure that I will remove it. Just only use my hand with my protection, which is a glove, and then all the weed I will put in here, and then I will throw it out, open it up. Right now, I will show you my activity at my front yard. I gonna show you is what I did for my activity in my front yard. Okay, before this, what you see is the plant is at the forest, but right now I already trim it. It's very cleanly. And then what I gonna show you is this is what I do at my front yard, which is I put some potting plant, which is the Japanese rose, and then there's small plant like white jasmine. And then what I do is this, I put more plant, so it makes that the plant or the front yard just like a tropical garden. Okay, this is my activity at my front yard. Put more plant in my front yard to make this front yard looks more beautiful. And right now, okay, I will show you the next of my activity is for Softscape and Hardscape at my lawn, and also for my hardscape like at the rock table and pergola. Hi, welcome back. Right now we at the lawn in front of my house. Okay, you can see this many pot and many plants and too many weeds. But what I'm gonna do in here is weeding, transplanting, repotting, pruning, and the equipment that I gotta do is a hoe and also a sketiers. And then for this sketiers is for pruning, for cutting and remove all unused plant. And for hoe, what I gotta do is for weeding. The hat is for protection from the sun. Okay, that's how. And then I will show you how to handle it, and I will show you all my activity of Softscape. Right, as you can see, I already do some Softscape and Hardscape activity, and then right now, as you can see, they have more difference. Okay, this is my first lawn, but you need to know that I have a second lawn, which is in here. It's my second lawn. What I'm gonna do is, and for an activity Softscape, such as the same thing as lawn 1, is pruning, weeding, transplanting, potting, and remove the weed at the plant. And then for hardscape, maybe what I do is cleaning up all the pot that been dirty from the soil. Okay, and also I gonna do is staking and fertilizing. can see, I already do some softscape and hardscape activity like weeding, staking, give some fertilizing, pruning, and also clean up the pot. Okay, and right now I want to do my next hardscape. And right now I will do some hardscape activity, which is clean up this rock table. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove all this black spot at this rock table there, and then what I'm gonna use to remove all this black spot is I'm gonna use this bacteria wash. It is very, when it's open it will give some more, when we open it will give some more smoke, and it's very dangerous. If we get touched, it will get burned for our skin especially. Okay, this already show us the risk and also the safety. It will cause several burns, irrigating respiratory system, and for the safety we need to keep the container tightly closed and in, and others for the safety. It is very dangerous. Yes, as we know, this is very dangerous, so what I'm going to use is this glove, this protection glove. I'm going to use this glove to put some this bacteria wash, and I will try to remove all the black spot. And then what I'm going to use is this soap, and then this brush to clean up and remove all this bacteria wash, because in this I always use to drinking and also relaxing, and for my cats, so I need to remove all the bacteria wash to avoid from danger. Right now I will show you how to clean this rock table. I clean up this whole table. Look, it's already clean, but it's not dry up. Okay, and I'm very proud that I gained more experience to make all this hardscape. Okay, right now we at my neighbor's house. Okay, what I'm gonna do in here is an hardscape activity, which is I'm gonna clean up and do some decoration at this gazebo. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this clothes, all the equipment And also I gonna use a water hose to clean up this gazebo. Then for this clothes is to wipe out every little dirty such as a bird poop or else. Okay, and then I gonna rearrange everything that doesn't need in here, and I will remove it, and I will do some decoration. Okay, right now I will show you how I do for this hardscape activity. Right, as you can see, I already do some hardscape activity, which is cleaning and do some decoration at this gazebo. This is my last of my hardscape and softscape activity. Okay, this is my last hardscape activity, and then I already show you all of my softscape and hardscape activity, and I already say about the how to use the equipment, how to handling, and what else. Right now I want to talk all the review of my activity for before and after. Is for before is very poor, and when you saw the after is like some more improvement from the previous. And then all the activity what I do at my front, one at my front house, two at my lawn 1 and lawn 2, and also for the hardscape I focus on rock melon, gazebo, and also do some decoration. All the equipment I already talked, such as the handling, how to use it, and also after using. Okay, for all this, that's of my softscape and hardscape activity, and I'm very proud of myself because I gain more activities. And also, lastly, I just want to say thank you to my lecturer for giving me this biggest task, and I do my best for this video assessment. And this is also my last semester to make this video, and I would like to say thank you very much for giving me the best task to us. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.